welcome back. This is Joe Brooks coming to you from Albuquerque, New Mexico. Happy New Year. Today I'm going to talk about the 7 tax benefits to owning a home. As we're coming into the tax season, it's always good to know what kind of things you can use to write off your taxes. And there's definitely some advantages to owning a home. So what are the tax benefits of owning a home? Plenty of homeowners are asking themselves this, and as they prepare to file their taxes, which is right around the corner. This year, the tax filing date is April 18th of 2022, and they don't anticipate extending it like last year. So, here are 7 things to consult with your tax professional about to see if you qualify. 1. When you're owning a home, you do have the, and this is a popular one, the option to deduct mortgage interest. And this is increased this year. So for a single person filing, that's $12,550. For a married couple, that is $25,100. And don't forget to file head of household. That could be, which is increased as well, up to $18,800. Now, if you are over 65, you could potentially get an extra $1,350 per person. So look into that as well. Number 2, property taxes. Now, you get capped at about $10,000 for your standard deduction. So if you don't use all of that, this might apply as well. So there is a potential deduction with your property taxes. Number 3, private mortgage insurance. Now, if you don't put 20% down on a home, usually you'll get saddled with private mortgage insurance. And there is a potential that you could deduct the interest of this insurance through the mortgage insurance tax rule. So look into that as well. Number 4, energy efficient upgrades. Now, there used to be a lot of things you could take deductions on through the residential energy efficiency tax credit, which expired in 2016. Now, there still are 2 major ones, which I actually took advantage of here a couple of years ago, is solar. So now that solar deduction is waning year over year, but there's still some deductions to be had there. There's also another deduction with water heating equipment, and these are good through 2023, so you can definitely look into that, and there may be some others that I'm not aware of. Number 5, at-home office. So for you self-employed people, if your primary office is your home, you can deduct $5 a square foot up to 300 square feet, and max of $1,500. So don't forget to take that deduction. Now, I know a lot of us W-2, or a lot of you W-2 employees were home a lot. Unfortunately, W-2 employees do not get to take advantage of that credit. Sorry. Number 6. Home improvements to age in place. So that's an interesting one. It needs to exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. So for example, if you make $60,000, only on money spent over $4,500 is you can take that deduction. And these are for improvements such as a wheelchair ramp, or grab bars in your bathroom, or in opening the doorways a little wider, and things like that that you might need when you get a little bit older. And number 7, interest on a home equity line of credit, or a HELOC. So if you took out a home equity line of credit, you could deduct the interest. Now, you have to be able to use that money to buy, build, or improve property. So if your house is screaming for a new kitchen, you could deduct the interest on that HELOC, but not to pay for your kids' college. So be sure of that. So take some time and visit with your tax professional. And if you are ready to buy a house to take advantage of some of those deductions this next year, give me a call. I hope you're having a fantastic day.